that's enough! That's enough! Break it up! Principal's office, now.
This is the third time this month you two have been sent to my office.
Hey, it's not my fault. It is. I didn't do anything. Enough.
All right. What is up with you guys?
Let me tell you the deal.
On second thought, I don't want to know. I just want it to stop right here. Right now. Mark, before Darren got here, you were an exemplary student.
Exactly my point. It's not me, it's him. Hey, I didn't ask to come to this dumb school, okay?
Guys! You need to bring it way down. You are brothers.
Step brothers!
Fine. We'll do this another way. Either you two shake hands right now and mean it, or you're both suspended for a week. So what's it gonna be?
You got suspended?
Principal Danvers way overreacted.
Overreacted. All you had to do was shake hands.
Yell at him, not me. I didn't do anything.
Look, Mark's your brother. If it's on him, it's on you too.
We're not brothers!
Look, I know this move wasn't easy for you, Darren, but it doesn't give you the right to lash out.
Lash out. He tripped me in the hall in front of half of the school. What was I supposed to do? I don't know. Maybe try tying your shoes once in a while.
Mark, not...
Hey, look, I get it. Your Uncle Billy and I would fight like cats and dogs when we were young. That's what brothers do.
Stop calling us that. Thank you. Okay, just because you two got married does not magically make us brothers. We are not even related.
What am I always telling you guys? Family isn't just about blood. It's about love. Which means even when we fight, we're still there for each other when it counts.
Yeah, well, Darren better hope he never needs me because he'll be waiting a long time.
Come on, Mark. Seriously. What are we gonna do with the two of you?
Probably blame me for the whole thing.
First thing we're gonna do is put them to work.
What?
That's right. This suspension isn't gonna be a week-long vacation. We have a project for you. Come on.
Heard him. You heard him. Get up. Get your foot off the couch. Get go. Hey.
Now, on Sunday, your mother's hosting a barbecue for the company. It's a big deal. And this backyard needs to be pristine before then.
Yeah, we were about to hire some help, but now we have you.
This needs more than just us.
Hey, the yard needs to be cut, deck sanded.
And please do not forget to paint these planters.
Hey, it's a big deal for your mother. It's a big deal for all of us. No fooling around. And I expect this yard to look amazing. And until then, consider yourselves under house arrest. No computers, no watch time, no phones, and no friends.
That part should be easy for you.
Hey, Darren, what we just talk about?
But he just said that.
I don't want to hear it.
Come on, man. Grow up, dude.
From either of you. Well, come on, you got work to do.
You behave.
Hey, man.
Bro, I need to
watch
here,
it,
bro.
No, actually, I need to get... Bro, watch out, bro!
Dude! Bro, are you serious?
And done! Woo! Yes!
I won!
Come on!
Come on, man, that's crazy. Shut up! Dude, that's actually crazy. Oh, man. I can't believe this, bro.
Mark, you've been hiding, man.
Yo, you know what it is, man. Hey, parents had me on lockdown.
Ah. Okay. It's a good thing I'm here to bust you out then, right?
Come on, huh?
Now, come on, Jay has this huge 2K tournament.
Okay.
All the boys is gonna be there. Come on, man, you got a title to defend.
Screw it, man. Let's go. Come on.
Wait, bro, but we're not supposed to go anywhere until we're done.
Ah, you know, that sounds like a you problem. It's not my fault. You don't have any friends to break you out. Hey, just tell them I got sick from the paint fumes or went to bed early or something. Appreciate you.
Wait, bro, you really expect me to cover for you?
Oh, I sure do. I know where you sleep, man. Remember, I can make your life miserable. Hey, chop chop. Come on, man, let's go.
Have fun.
Have a nice night.
I hope so. Because you're not gonna be seeing your friends for a long time.
I thought you guys were working late.
And we thought we told you no going out until the yard was finished.
Oh, come on. How was at Chris's house for a couple hours?
You were supposed to be helping your brother.
He told him, didn't he? I'm gonna kill him.
This is not Darren's fault. This is your fault for breaking the rules.
What's going on?
Oh, like you don't know, snitch.
What's that supposed to mean, dude?
What the? Hey, dude!
Get off me!
Hey, dude, are you serious right now? You serious? Hey, quick, bring it up. So, Darren, give me a minute.
Me? What did I do?
No one said you did anything.
I said you did something.
Stop it.
We were both always taking Mark's side. It's not fair. I just want to go back home.
Look, this is our home. And this is our family.
They are your family. You chose them. I sure did.
But Darren. Darren!
Why'd you do this?
Darren! Darren, wait! But I should go after him.
Maybe we should just let him blow off some steam. He won't be long.
What makes you so sure?
I've never seen him go more than 20 minutes without looking at his phone. He'll be back. Trust me. Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, I'll be okay. Just give me a minute.
Oh, okay.
Hello? Dad? Laura? Mark?
Please, please. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Good.
Massive heart attack. I'm sorry, he's gone.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's all right. I'm sorry. Oh. Oh. You're such a good man. We're so sorry for your loss. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yep.
Oh, it's so sad. Now she's left with 2 kids. One isn't even hers, and no husband. Can you imagine?
No.
I wouldn't even know what to do.
Hey, Mom wanted me to check if you're okay.
Like you care.
What's that mean?
It means if you hadn't snuck out, none of this would have happened.
You think this is my fault? You're really something, you know that? Your dad was worried about you after you ran off. Maybe if you weren't such a baby, he'd still be here. Yes!
Sick.
Laura! Laura!
What?
It's your kids.
Oh, no, no, no. No.
Take it back!
Make me! Make me!
That's enough. No, no, that's enough. That's enough. Stop.
Look, I was just doing what you asked, and he went totally psycho!
No, listen. Look at me. Stop. Stop, please. Darren, are you all right?
Why does everyone keep acting like they care?
We do.
And no one cares!
We do. We do. Oh, when is it gonna be enough? How? When is it gonna be enough? God, when is it gonna be enough? Why don't you go check on Darren? He shouldn't be alone.
I'm sure he's fine.
He's your brother, Mark.
He's not my brother. He's not even my stepbrother, okay? You know what he is? He's a snitch. He caused all this in the first place by ratting me out.
Ratting you out?
When I hung out with my friends the other day,
You know, Chris's mother called and told us that you were at his house. That's how we knew. You know, Darren didn't know anything about that. In fact, he tried to cover for you.
whatever, you know, he may not be a snitch, but he's still a jerk, okay? He attacked me today for no reason.
Honey, his father would want us to be there for him.
Why?